और कोरोना के संकट काल में बैंक कर्जदारों को बड़ी राहत मिल सकती है। सरकार ने बैंक ग्राहकों को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक एक्सपर्ट कमेटी बनाई है। ये कमेटी मॉरेटोरियम के तहत ब्याज दर पर छूट और ब्याज पर लगने वाले ब्याज पर छूट का आकलन करेगी। कमेटी इस बात का भी आकलन करेगी कि कर्जदारों को छूट देने पर उसका देश की आर्थिक स्थिति पर क्या असर पड़ेगा। इस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष बनाए गए हैं भारत के पूर्व कैग राजीव महर्षि और इनके अलावा कमेटी में IIM अहमदाबाद के पूर्व प्रोफेसर रविंद्र H धोलकिया और B श्रीराम भी हैं, जो कि SBI और RDBI बैंक के पूर्व मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर रहे हैं। कमेटी एक हफ्ते के अंदर अपनी रिपोर्ट सौंप देगी।
Finance Ministry has formed an expert panel that will be looking into the issue of waiver of interest and waiver of interest on interest with respect to the COVID-19 related moratorium. It will be headed by former CAG Rajiv Maharishi along with the former MPC member Ravindra Dholakia as well as B Sriram, the former MD of SBI. The panel will have 1 week's time to submit their report, of course coming in after the Apex Court today increased and gave an extension to their interim order and asked banks to not tag any of their loans as not performing assets till the 28th of September. In fact, also asked the government as well as banks to find a solution, following which the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had said that a holistic solution was being worked upon. Now, this panel is tasked with a very important issue of what happens to the waiver of interest and waiver of interest on interest. Remember, the banks as well as RBI so far have already explained how this is not a workable solution. They cannot go ahead with this, and banks cannot be expected to subsidize the borrowers with the depositors' money. RBI has said that the interest component under moratorium is close to 2 lakh crore rupees. Macquarie in their report have said that the interest on interest component alone is close to 15 to 20,000 crore rupees, and this is going to hit the banking sector hard. So clearly this panel will be tasked with finding a middle ground, finding a middle solution as to what can be done. Remember, banking is needs commercial decision making. Given the fact that the Apex Court has now come into this issue, needs to be seen what this expert panel will now look to do.